Well, happy Saturday everybody. It's Saturday afternoon, it's not raining, and so we're going to try and get this greenhouse over to my house and put it down the back. So enough of the piano shenanigans. But if you did like it, go over and have a look at it and like it. If you didn't, don't bother. But we're going to see how easy it is to take this down, put it up. Can I do it in a day? Who knows? Be great to be able to do that. So we're going to give it a clean out. Doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Jet wash, clear, dismantle, take it away, rebuild it. Doesn't sound that hard. Let's see how we get on. Well, we've got an empty greenhouse now, and it should be all right. It's got the kind of working bits down here. I don't know if you can see this down here. Kind of these things and stuff. And the window vent probably needs replacing as well. But what we're going to do now is give it a good jet wash, and then I'll figure out how to take it apart without not remembering how to put it back up again. It's not the biggest greenhouse, but perfectly formed for tomatoes at the bottom of the garden. Okay, that's jet wash done. Now I'm just going to take some of the bits off. I did notice I went off and turned there's some electrics on in here, so I've turned that off. So I'm just going to unscrew some of the bits, probably take some pictures of how it is. There is a broken plane, you can't see it, there's a broken pane just down here, but I know someone who has got plenty of those who could spare me one. So anyway, that's clean. Now it's on to dismantle. So this is where the fun starts. Well, that's all the glass out, nothing there. So I'm guessing now it's just take it apart, which I think it should be in sections. It's only kind of sides, isn't it? So, right, so take it apart. Hopefully that won't take too long, and then I can clear this patio thing down here. So yeah, we'll crack on. Well, that's it. Greenhouse is down. I'm going to just give this a right good clean jet wash now, make it look like a patio, so at least it can be used. So I'm going to do that and then work out how to get this back to the house. So have a look and yeah, just watch the magic.